Hi, today we're going to be reviewing Beamer's Ice Drops. These are made by a company called Beamer's. They're ice drops. Let's see if we can get to focus there. The flavor is MOJiTO. It's a little hard for the camera to focus. Come on. There we go. Net weight is 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and I guess Instagram. Some of these little symbols are kind of hard to make out. They're like real blurry. But you could definitely tell that's YouTube and where that one's Instagram. Anyway. Yeah. Made in Detroit, Michigan, USA. Patent pending. You could hashtag them, I guess, at Hookah Ice Drops and Beamer Hookah for their hashtags. Website is hookahicedrops.com and email is info@beamershookah.com. I'll put those two links down below in the description. So yeah, what this is kind of like a jelly jello stuff. It almost looks like jello. Yeah, let me scoop some of these out so you can kind of see it. Yeah, so pretty much they're kind of like reusable shisha tobacco instead of just throwaway tobacco. And you do need to have a vortex bowl. So you can't use the standard bowl that comes with your hookah. You gotta get a vortex bowl for these. You just kind of want to pat it around lightly, loosely. Don't over pat it, because then the gel will actually get caught in the holes in the hookah bowl. So usually what I like to do is when I get a pat in it, is kind of push it to the side. This way I know it's kind of away from all the holes, so I'm going to have a nice flow going in there. It's not going to be clogged or anything like that. Now it kind of always smells very mojito-y. Actually, I'm not going to use that one. Let me get something else out here. So we'll just give that kind of a minute so it can heat up and start working. Let's just give it maybe 1 or 2 more minutes so it kind of works, because you know we just throw the coals on. Now according to this, it says it's made from glucose, H2O, preservative, natural flavoring, hydropolyene gel, and coloring. And what their claiming says is, use Quail's amazing taste. Try Beamer's herbal sutra. Look out for our 40 plus flavors in 4 sizes. Love for hookah tobacco coming soon. So I guess instead of these ice gels, they will make original sutra, hookah tobacco. Once you burn it, you gotta toss it. But these are supposed to be, I believe, reusable ones. The flavor actually tastes pretty good. I know it's taking a little while because different types of tobacco taste longer to heat up. Like sutra tobacco, super fast. The juicy tobacco takes a little bit longer, but it's definitely worth it. Steam stones, they're, I'll say maybe roughly around wire sutra tobacco to heat up. And these ice gels, I know I had them before, so I'm trying them now. They take a little bit longer to kind of, I guess, heat up to work. So far, I'm not seeing any clouds in the base right now. But I'm starting to see just a very little bit of haze inside the base. And usually you want to see lots of haze, which means, hey, it's burning, start smoking. This is taking a while to do. But definitely the flavor's there, it's not bad, it's great, excellent. Now we're starting to get to work. So it does take some time to heat up. So do keep that in mind. It's not one of those tobaccos that you throw it in the bowl, you throw your clothes on, and you start smoking it. You do have to give it some time to heat up. And I would definitely agree with them. This is a company that does deliver on a promise of use clouds and amazing taste. The smoke clouds are huge. Unlike other ones that claim that and you're like, okay, I only see a little bit of smoke. This one, yes. Amazing taste, yes. So the two things that they promise, use clouds and amazing taste, yes, they definitely work. They are guaranteed it happens, it does it. Just like I said, the only downside is it takes a little bit of time for it to heat up. Longer than usual ones. And I'll tell you, usually tobacco is like, when I smoked it, it's like kind of harsh and heavy. Although there is one that is really good. I love it. I like my Hookah brand. That one's the cheapest one that I can afford. And it does taste good. The other one I had, which I don't know what I did with it. I can't recall it offhand at the moment. Let me see if I can find it real fast. Yep, here we go. Starbuzz. I had the Starbuzz Exotic Brew Mist. Starbuzz, the flavor was good. The smoke was good, but definitely when you pay for something for flavor, you got the good flavor from Starbuzz. But you know, that was just white tobacco. It's real juicy, so you have to use it in one of these vortex funnel bowls for the Starbucks one. Excellent flavor. But it's one of those ones. Once the bowl's done, you wipe it out and you throw it away. With this, once it's done, you like cool down, then you put it in a little container, almost like the Etel steam stones. Except this is like jelly kind of material instead of stone material. But what I found out is the clouds are real light. You know, they're not like harsh on your throat, like how most tobacco is for hookah. This one's actually very light, almost like if you're smoking an e-hookah or e-cigarettes. You know how those ones, they taste very light, not harsh compared to the original tobacco that you smell from like a weather cigarette or a weather hookah, but they're like real light. That's what this one is. The flavor's there. Definitely there's nothing wrong with the flavor. Nothing wrong with the cloud smoke, but it's just the harshness on your throat, it's not there. So anyone who's like, I tried hookahs before, I don't like them, they're very harsh on my throat, give this Beamer's Ice Drops brand a try. Believe me, it's not light. It's not heavy on the throat, which I kind of like. It's nice. One thing that you will notice is the base does not fill with smoke. It's a little cloudy, but not like those big huge clouds of smoke that you usually see in there. So if you're like, is this worked in? Because usually when you see like big clouds in the base, you're like, oh, okay, it's ready to go. With this, you're like, it's a little haze. I'll keep giving it a couple more minutes. No, when you see it starts hazing up, just a little bit, it's good to go. But wow, I definitely like this. This is a great product right here. So yeah, that has been the review of Beamer's Ice Drops Hookah Gel Susha MOJiTO flavor. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.